In the vastness of the universe, where time is stretching to infinity, the red giant star called Betelgeuse is about to undergo an unprecedented transformation. A prominent figure in the Orion constellation, this giant star has captured the imaginations of astronomers and astrologers for centuries. Now something wonderful, and possibly dangerous, is happening. The dramatic increase in brightness seen by the James Webb Space Telescope puts Betelgeuse on the brink of astronomical observatory that could change our understanding of the universe. Imagine looking up into the night sky and seeing a burst of stars, an amazing supernova above it all. This is not a science fiction movie. This may be true for us. Betelgeuse is a bomb in the sky, sparking a mixture of excitement and anxiety among scientists. As we enter our final stage, we must ask ourselves, are we just spectators in this game, or will it change the real purpose of understanding our place in the world? Over the generations, Betelgeuse has remained bright, marking the shoulder of the Trinity with its red color. But recent observations show a 250% increase in brightness, a sign of instability in the star's core. The sudden change sent waves through the astronomical community, with experts whispering about an impending explosion. This hope comes as astronomers study Betelgeuse's oscillations, realizing that these oscillations can reveal the star's final moments. On May 20, 2023, an increase in unexplained brightness caused speculation. "We've never seen anything like this," said astrophysicist Andrea Dupree, who tracked Betelgeuse. As Betelgeuse climbs the ranks to become the sky's seventh brightest star, many questions arise. Is this the beginning of the finale? When Betelgeuse died is still a mystery. Estimates range from weeks to 100,000 years, resulting in an unstable atmosphere. Flatiron University's Jared Goldberg reminds us to be careful. "We don't want to bet," he says, well aware of the implications. However, symptoms are becoming more and more difficult to ignore. A major dimming in 2019 to 2020, when the star's brightness dropped by 60%, was the first sign. Although the star recovered, he never returned to his former self, revealing a deep mystery surrounding his current state. At the center of Betelgeuse is a nuclear fusion tube, where helium atoms collide to form heavier elements in a turbulent, high-pressure environment. Although this process is essential to the life of the star, it also creates a negative balance. As Betelgeuse's core grows stronger, it cannot collapse. Gravity will one day overcome the thermal pressure it holds, causing a catastrophic event. When this moment arrives, the initial warning signs will come in the form of neutrinos, ghostly particles that will slip through Earth as if it were transparent, traveling at nearly the speed of light. These particles will carry the narrative of Betelgeuse's final moments, alerting scientists around the globe. Imagine looking up and witnessing a blinding burst of light as Betelgeuse transforms into a supernova. This celestial explosion will outshine everything, even the moon, for days, casting eerie shadows across Earth and turning the night sky into a surreal tableau of light and color. The implications of such an event extend beyond mere visuals. Astronomers will have an unprecedented opportunity to study the remnants of a supernova up close, unlocking secrets of stellar evolution that have remained hidden for millennia. But while scientists say Betelgeuse's imminent explosion is harmless, the magnitude of this event will continue to change our night sky. Shock waves blow through our air, but only because of our understanding of the world. As we await this amazing light show, we are plagued by deep questions. What do people think when we look at the changing sky? Are we prepared for the fear and dread that comes from such a vision? All the mysterious streaks of light and darkness from Betelgeuse are signs that the end is near. It seems that the star is holding his breath, preparing for a grand finale that will cement his name in world history. Also, when astronomers focus on Betelgeuse, they are not just distant stars. They look to the future. What are the secrets of a burning heart? Every time we spend time studying Betelgeuse, we increase our understanding of the universe and our place in it. When Betelgeuse explodes, the results will be beyond the horizon. It serves as a reminder of our fragility in an ever-changing world. The night sky, the only source of wonder, becomes a broken witness to the failure of everything. As we stand on the precipice of this global event, hope grows and celebrates the frailty of the world and the vastness of the world. In the world, the only thing that is constant is change, and the change approaching Betelgeuse asks us to think about our place in the world. Each advance in astronomy, each new method of observation, brings us closer not only to the mysteries of Betelgeuse, but also to the basic workings of the universe. As the days pass, the world becomes silent, and we are caught up in this worldly story. Betelgeuse is preparing for its final cycle, and we are eagerly awaiting the big show. What effect does this event have on our wisdom? The universe has a unique way of reminding us of our smallness against the backdrop of infinity. Every now and then, we are about to see one of the galaxy's most massive stars meet its end. Will we prepare for the terrifying sight that awaits us, or will we only think of mysteries that are beyond our understanding? As Betelgeuse flares up and dims, the countdown has already begun, although a change in brightness may be a sign that the countdown is nearing. In this visible world, when we look at the night sky, we see ourselves in a story that transcends time and space. The upcoming explosion of Betelgeuse is not just an astronomical event. It is a time of deep reflection, a place to contemplate life, death, and the mysteries of life. So, as we stand beneath the stars, we are reminded that every flicker of light is not just a distant sun but a beacon guiding us through the vast unknown, urging us to continue exploring and understanding the universe, no matter how small we may seem in its grand design. As the countdown to Betelgeuse's potential supernova continues, astronomers worldwide are preparing for the unprecedented opportunity to observe a stellar explosion in real time. With advancements in technology, telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and other observational instruments will provide invaluable data. Researchers are developing new algorithms and models to predict the star's behavior, aiming to catch every nuance leading up to its demise. This collaborative effort across the global scientific community not only enhances our understanding of Betelgeuse but also emphasizes the importance of shared knowledge in the pursuit of cosmic understanding. Excitement is palpable in the astronomical community, as each new observation is an important piece to the puzzle of stellar evolution. But amid the excitement of the discovery, there is underlying concern about what a supernova might do to life on Earth. Although scientists say Betelgeuse's eruption poses no threat, the magnitude of the event raises questions about its effect on the atmosphere and atmosphere. A supernova on this scale can release a large amount of energy and radiation into the universe, potentially altering the rest of the planet's protective layer. This is a poignant reminder of our vulnerability in the wider world and leads to a discussion about our responsibility to monitor and understand climate change. When we look at the stars, we are in front of the realization that our lives are connected to the events that rule the world. Finally, the appearance of Betelgeuse is approaching as a worldview and a deep philosophical study. What does it mean to see the end of a star that has lit up our night sky for thousands of years? It is through this thinking that we think about our own mortality and the nature of life. As Betelgeuse will one day disappear from Earth's history, humans will struggle with its place in the universe. As we prepare for this amazing event, we discover that we are not only spectators, but also part of a larger story that connects us to the stars. The end of Betelgeuse is a powerful reminder of the cycles of creation and destruction that govern all life, urging us to embrace our will and continue into the unknown.